what should we pick next? Brinks, Master Lock. Let's pick this Master Lock. Bottom of the keyway tension, City Rake. Try resetting it. Okay, let's switch over to single pin. Using a little hook here. Focus. Shallow hook. Okay, let's reset it. Little click on one and it's held up. Let's reset one. So just put that up just a little bit. There we go. 2's springy. Click on 3. Reset. Rake. This is just a wave rake. Zipping it isn't working. Let's try a single pin picking real quick. I just flipped the rake over, so I'm using the top side now. And we have an open. That was 2 minutes and 30 seconds-ish. And there's the bidding if you want to see it. All right. See you on the next one.